Right, I'm going to show you how I make simple, tasty fried rice with chicken with only a few ingredients. Let's do it. Start with some sesame oil, not too much, just a little bit. I'll crack 2 eggs into the pan, just mix them round, get them cooked, and I'm going to add the rice. It's as easy as that. You want to end up with the egg just looking like that, and I'm going to add the rice that I boiled yesterday. It's cool, it's brown rice. So there's the rice in. Just going to add some soy sauce. And then the pre-cooked chicken. Starting to look the part, just keep mixing it up. This is my first ever YouTube video and I'm sure you can tell. And that's it finished, only took a couple of minutes and it tastes great.